Florida Road Tripping. On my channel, I'll be sharing places I travel and visit in Florida and beyond.
Okay, Florida Road Tripping.
Hello everyone. In this video, you'll see the International Food and Drink Festival that was held in Orlando, Florida, where you'll see lots of different vendors and people out just having fun. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Organic mint candles made by me with crystals, herbs, essential oils, and beeswax and soy wax.
$15 off your first 3 orders.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
You got 3 samples?
Yes, ma'am. We have Big Booty Judy, Blue MFer, Magic City, Hoochie Mama, Sneaky Link, and Panty Dropper.
Is that alcohol?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Lord. I drove by myself. I couldn't drink. You got a card, though?
Yes, we have my information is here. Yeah, all the things in the van. We have information here. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
Okay.
But my card is in the application.
Hello.
Hi.
Very pretty. Very pretty. You have a card?
I am only online. I don't have business cards. I have websites.
That's fine.
Yeah.
You have something with your information? Hello?
Have you seen this before?
No, no thank you. No thank you.
y'all doing? My name is Sergio. I'm with Jefe Cigars. We have 4 lines straight from Nicaragua, Connecticut, Cameroon, Lancero, Habano. Great deals coming out here right now. Got plenty of accessories, cigar cutters, got hats, ashtrays, humidors, got everything. If you need it, we got it.
Hi, my name is Chef Taters. I make hot sauce and barbecue sauce. It's the best in town. I make them homemade from the heart. I have Sweet Heat, Guinness barbecue sauce. This is a Guinness barbecue sauce right here. I got mango habanero hot sauce. I got wing sauce, gonna be medium. I got hot garlic hot sauce, honey chipotle. Wing sauce gonna be mild, sweet bourbon barbecue sauce, and hot wing sauce. They're all local made. I'm local out of Orlando. That's basically it. Yeah.
Check them out. Beautiful dog. Check them out. Yeah, I see my guys over here too. Check him out. Yeah. Let's go, Dave. Let's go. Let's go, boy. Let's go. That's right. We got a dance going on. Y'all can come out here and dance with us. Let's dance. Got the music going on. Dogs out here. Dave Cap, ladies and gentlemen. Dave Cap, let's go. We're having a good time in the park. Yeah, come on, Dave.
Okay everyone, we've come to the end of another video. I do hope that you did enjoy. Please stay tuned to my channel to see where I'll go next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.